So, good evening, sir. In the part 1, sir, gumawa po ako ng students table which is naglagay ako ng student ID, full name, course, and year level. And the subject is subject ID, subject name, and the units. And the grade table is grade ID, student ID, subject ID, grade, and semester. So, hindi pa wala nakapaglagay. So, grade ID is 1, 1, 1, 90, first, 2, 2, 2 is 91, then first semester din, 3, 3, 3, 92, first semester, 4, 4, 4, 93, then 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 94, then 1. So, ito po yung part 1, sir. The grade, student, and the subject table. And the part 2 is um, enter at least 5 sample records for each table sa students and subjects, grades, student ID. So, yun po, ang ginawa ko po is nag-enter po ako ng 5 samples with name, best IT, and year level. Same po sa sa subject ID, which is the tables, subject ID, subject name, and the units. And about po naman sa relationship nila is pinag-connect ko po ang ID to ID para po iisa po ang tatawagin niyang number. So naka-relationship po siya sa open. No, 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 no. Relationship. Bale, ang ginawa ko po dito is ganito po. Um, ito po si student table and ito po yung subject ID. So, kung i-connect nyo po siya, pwede po kayo mamili ng subject table. Pwede nyo po siya ID to subject ID or ID to subject name or units. So, pinag-connect po siya to ID to ID. So, ito lang po yung alam ko. Then, create a query name student performance that displays student name, course subject name, and grade. So, in this part, gumawa po ko ng student performance. So, paano ko po siya ginawa? Pumunta ako po sa create, then click ko po to. O, then, maglalagay ka po ng inputs dito, tsaka mo nyo po save bago siya mapalitan ng name. So, ang ginawa ko po dito is student name, enter. Nilagay ko po din student name, course, subject name, and grade. Um, then sa high performance student po, wala po ako nilagay which is sinabi po dito that shows student with grades 90 and above. So sa part po na yan, hindi ko po masyadong gets yung instruction kaya dito na lang po ako naglagay ng ng grades. And about po sa relationship, ito lang po yung short knowledge ko po about this topic. Then, demonstrate how to sort and filter data, simulate data analytics. So, sa part 3, di ko na po siya masyado nagawa and di part 4. Yun lang po, sa pag-create lang po, tsaka sa relationship lang po yun naintindihan ko and thank you po and good evening.